How to add a signature in Outlook app. I'm going to show you guys in this video tutorial. If you're using Outlook app, there is a simple steps or process that you can follow to add signature in Outlook app. So let's start with the video guys. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here let me open Outlook first. Okay, this is my Outlook, and how you can set the signature. Just go to the file and go to the option here. Under the option, you have to click on mail. Under the mail, you can see here, you can see create modify signature for message. Just hit the signature button or option here, and you can see I have created lots of signature here. So I delete. Okay, I have create something above 8 signature here, so I just delete something to show you properly. Okay, so here you can see I has some signature, so let me delete to show you properly. Okay, so I don't have a signature now. So what you need to do, if you are using the more than one email ID in Outlook, so from here you have to select the email ID for which email ID or account you want to set the signature. So I just select this one, and I can set the by default signature for new message and for reply and forward. For that you need to create the signature. Just click on new and type hotmail signature. This is only signature name. Okay, it will be not appear in your email, it is for you only, so you can identify the signature. So this is, I just create the one signature here, and let me show you another signature. So I just create the another signature here. Okay, so two signature I have create. So select the signature name, and here you have to add the signature content. So I just add this one. You can also add link also. You can select the any link text, or you can just click the link and type here link name. Okay, just hit the, it will be add here. You can also set the color, and you can change text and all. This is first signature I just create, and let me save it. Now click on second signature and type your text and save it. So now I have two signature here, and I can set the signature for new message, or I can set the signature for the reply and forward. This is by default signature. Now just click on OK. Now let me come to new email, and here you can see the new signature, new email signature has been come here. You can also see signature from here if you want. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.